Good morning, students. Joined with your social science teacher Joseph Linos. Today I am going to present geography lesson climate and natural vegetation of India. This is the continuation of last class. Southwest monsoon. The southwest monsoon is the most significant feature of the Indian climate. The onset of the southwest monsoon takes place normally over the southern tip of the country by the first week of June. Advances along the Konkan coast is early June and covers the whole country by 15th July. The sudden approach of monsoon wind over South India with lightning and thunder is termed as the break or burst of monsoon. The monsoon wind strikes against the southern tip of Indian landmass and gets divided into two branches: Arabian Sea branch, Bay of Bengal branch. The Arabian Sea branch. It gives heavy rainfall to west coast of India as it is located in the windward side of the Western Ghats. The other part which advances towards north in obstructed by Himalayan mountains and results in heavy rainfall in north. As Aravalli mountain is located parallel to the wind direction, Rajasthan and western part do not get much rainfall from this branch. Bay of Bengal. The wind from Bay of Bengal branch moves towards northeast India and Myanmar. This wind is trapped by a chain of mountains, namely Gargo, Khasi and Jaintia, which are mainly responsible for the heaviest rainfall caused at Mawsynram located in Meghalaya. Later, it travels towards west, which results in decrease in rainfall from east to west. Overall, about 75% of Indian rainfall is received from this monsoon. Northeast monsoon. Northeast monsoon blows during October and November. Northeast monsoon winds blow from land. It gives rainfall to Coromandel coast. India gets only 25% of rainfall from northeast monsoon. Biosphere reserves of India. Biosphere reserves are protected areas of land coastal environments wherein people are an integral component of the system. The Indian government has established 18 biospheres in India which protect larger areas of natural habitat and often include one or more national parks preserves along with buffer zones that are open to some economic uses. 11 of the 18 biosphere reserves of India fall under the list of Man and Biosphere Program of UNESCO. Wildlife of India. The term wildlife includes animals of any habitat in nature. Wild animals are non-domesticated animals and includes both vertebrate fish, reptiles, birds and mammals, and invertebrates like bees, butterflies, moth, etc. India has a rich and diversified wildlife. The Indian fauna consists of about 81,251 species of animals out of the world total of about 1.5 million species. Our country is the home of tiger, lion, leopards, snow leopards, pythons, wolves, foxes, bears, monkeys, wild dogs, camels, snakes, crocodiles, rhinoceros, varieties of pisan, and the mighty Asian elephants. In view of this, the role of wildlife is maintaining ecological balance, conservation, and management of biodiversity of India is necessary at present. The Government of India has exacted Wildlife Act in 1972 with the objectives of protecting wildlife of the country. To preserve the country's rich and diverse wildlife, 102 national parks and about 515 wildlife sanctuaries across the country have been created. Thank you, students.